And what about you, Raymond? What sets you apart from the typical politicians, and what's your platform of
Well, a
governance?
typical politician. Kaya hindi ako nag-ambisyon, Attorney Karen, dahil ayoko matawag na politician. I have no choice now because I'm gonna be called a politician kahit ano man ang gawin ko. But just because ang sa akin talaga, serbisyo. Alam kong narinig na ng marami yan eh. But me and my team really have something new to offer the Manila people. We have something new pang matagalang solusyon. And
What
we
is
want to
that?
partner up. I'm sorry.
What is that? What type of solution are you offering?
Well, ang tagline kasi namin, level up Manila. Itaas mo ang pagkatao mo. Level up Manila. Ikaw ang maging inspirasyon ng katabi mo. It's very important to educate and guide the masses on their well-being, on their mental health. I think mental health is very important. I believe hanggat hindi natin na-answer, I want to say this is part of our cultural renewal program. Pag walang cultural renewal program, hindi makukwel at hindi titigil ang korupsyon dahil nag-uumpisa sa baba. Pag nabili ang boto, nabili ng pera, kasi ang boto, ang pondo, babawiin yan. Ang ginastos sa tao, sa kampanya, everyone knows this, babawiin yan later on. Ako wala akong pondo. Wala. Puso lang. Totoong puso at talino ang aking maibibigay. Ang nakikita ko, I'm gonna make it short, I'm sorry for keeping it long, is that kailangan meron tayong campaign to tackle the traumas of our people. Ang kahirapan nagdudulot ng trauma, mental trauma. So kung ako rin naghihirap, tatanggapin ko ng pera. Siyempre. Pero minsan, nakakalimutan nilang iboto yung tama. Ang tanong, meron bang tamang tumatakbo? E paano kung lahat ando na sa ganung linya ng politiko? Di ba? That is what set me apart. And gusto ko silang hamunin na maramdaman nila ako.